up? It's Emma. Welcome back to my channel. It has been a very long time since I've done a healthy Starbucks life hack kind of video. I used to do these all the time last year and then I just stopped. But now we're back because I'm feeling inspired and I have so many amazing drink combinations, so get ready. I have 4 delicious cold brew combinations right here and we're gonna get into it. Just a little backstory. I used to be a Starbucks barista and my mission was to create healthy drinks that didn't taste healthy, because I'm all about treating myself to coffee. I have it multiple times a day, but I don't want it to break the calorie bank. So I'm all about creating low cal, low carb, healthier options. What really is healthy anyway? I put that might be wrong. Anyway, moral of the story is I like to drink things and drink them often, and I like it when they're guilt-free. So that's my jam. Today I'm showing you 4 healthy cold brew combinations. I love cold brew because there's a lot of caffeine in it. That's pretty much it. So I've made these into like lattes, even though they're not lattes, they're cold brews, but you'll see what I mean. So the first drink is the salted caramel latte. So this is a grande cold brew with cold foam on top. I asked for the cold foam to be made with non-fat milk and sugar-free vanilla. Unfortunately, it can't be made with non-dairy milk, so take that into account before ordering. It's made with 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 2 pumps of toffee nut syrup, and there's little like salt particles on top to make it extra yummy. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I didn't think that I would like these because the foam is at the top and I like my drinks like super sweet, super creamy, but the foam hits your lips, your mouth first, and then you get the coffee. So it's like equal parts cream to coffee every single time. This next drink is what I like to call an iced hot chocolate. Little like life hack. I love hot chocolate and I want it to be like in my diet every single day. So this is the way that I make that happen. It's a grande cold brew with 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of mocha, and soy milk. Let's try. My gosh. This drink is totally vegan. Their mocha sauces are vegan. Wow, it's really good. I would actually add even more soy next time because I like it to be like very creamy. Next up is our chai tea latte. This is a cold brew with 3 pumps of sugar-free vanilla, 1 pump of chai, and almond milk. Yeah, let's try it. It's so good because it's just super light. It's not like heavy or really sugary like chai drinks usually are. You get that caffeine, which is the most important part, and that little cinnamon sweet from the chai and sugar-free vanilla, and gosh, it's so good. If you want it even more creamy, you can do soy milk, add another pump of chai if you're feeling a little frisky, but wow, it's good. I said frisky. I really meant to say risky, but frisky works. And the very last drink is our snickerdoodle. This looks a little light, but we're gonna run with it. They might have added a lot more cream than I anticipated, but we'll see once I try it. Also, the lighting keeps shifting because I'm in front of a window, so sorry about that. This is a grande cold brew with 2 pumps of sugar-free cinnamon dolce, 2 pumps of white mocha, and light cream. Let's go for it. Wow. So this is really sweet, I'm going to warn you, but wow, it's so good. So those are my 4 guilt-free, healthy Starbucks drinks, specifically Starbucks Cold Brew Drinks. I hope that you guys enjoy these videos, and please let me know if you try any of these. Let me know on Instagram because I'm always there. You can contact me, we can talk about Starbucks drinks. That's like what I love to talk about. And if you have any drinks that you want to see made more healthy, leave them in the comments down below. Again, I am so sorry about this lighting change. I'm gonna fix that at some point, but I'm kind of broke. So, well, that's it from me. I'm gonna go stay up all night and drink all of these cold brews, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.